Let's talk about Ajwain seeds or Carom seeds, great for pain, arthritis, asthma, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, on and on and on, and no side effects. It really is great stuff, and I'll talk about dosage at the end of the video.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about Carom seeds, or some people call it Ajwain seeds, and really great stuff. I mean, super inexpensive and will do your body good. You should have this in your medicine cabinet, and it costs next to nothing. This is by Ronnie. This is a spice actually also, and this bottle was only $6. I mean, how more, you know, you can't get much cheaper than that. That's pretty amazing. And it has a lot of great things it can do for your body. Here, I made some wonderful Carom tea, really good. It kind of reminds me of thyme in some ways, but it has a lot more powerful agents in it, and really a great herb. It comes from India, goes into Indian cuisine. Also, it has a pungent, bitter, kind of a thyme type of taste to it. Does have thymol in it. Also, it's used as a spice in cooking a lot, so really great stuff. But before I get into this even more, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe, tell others, and please watch those videos. There's little ads at the beginning. They give us a little bit of money. I appreciate that greatly. Also, you know, please get a hold of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. You know, more than half of you are going to come down with cancer. No reason for this. What's prevent cancer? It's much easier to prevent than actually try to heal cancer. It can be done, but a lot of people, you know, I work on the preference of trying to prevent it. You know, actually 2/3 of the people are moving towards cancer every day. Your body knows how to take care of this if we give it a little help. So you can get this on Amazon. Just Google Live a Cancer-Free Life. It will come up and take you right to Amazon. Or you can buy the paperback copy like this, or you can download it as a Kindle and save your life for sure. As I see, a wonderful Carom seeds. I like to call them Carom seeds. It's easier to pronounce. Really great stuff. I highly recommend it. Lots and lots of antioxidants. The more antioxidants that you get into your body, the less likely you're going to have disease going on. Lots of vitamins, lots of minerals, used successfully, you know, without side effects for thousands of years. You know, it's been used forever in Indian cooking. Also, lots of studies on this, and it does a great job of lowering cholesterol and lowering trigs or triglycerides, which is amazing. Also, it does an effective job at lowering LDL cholesterol and also increasing HDL or good cholesterol. So really, studies show that. Also contains lots of carbs, some fats, and protein and fiber. Also tannins, which are very healing agents, glycosides, saponins, also flavonoids, minerals, calcium, phosphorus, iron, also a little iron in there for you people who are low in iron, cobalt, copper, iodine also magnesium, and manganese, and thiamine, riboflavin, all kinds of great things. Also, thymol, limonene, and on, a whole bunch of antioxidants are really powerful things that heal the body from the inside out. It strengthens your immune system. It helps to kill, you know, bacteria and viruses and funguses and boost up your immune system in general. Also helps with chronic disease in general, because it also helps to get rid of free radicals in your body and help to repair your DNA, which is really great. Important. Also, studies show that it actually helps to kill salmonella, E. coli, and also strep, which is the 3 main bacteria out there. Also helps to kill candida. If you have candida, you might want to work with me to get rid of your candida, and we can use this also. Also, lowers blood pressure. Study found that actually works just as well as a calcium blocker that, you know, you might get from your doctor. Some people say, you know, this works just as well for lowering blood pressure as what your doctor might give you too. So, wow, pretty amazing stuff. Also helps with gout. You know, anything that helps with inflammation will help with gout. And taking it for 7 to 10 days, you could take it as a tea here if you want. That's a wonderful flavor, smell and flavor and aroma, just amazing. And I would want to take that if I had a cold. There's just something about it, just like, wow, I need to take this if I had a cold. And also you could take the seeds, just put it in the water and drink it down, a teaspoon. That'll do you good. And also that will help you do gout in general. Also great, I mean great, and I've used it so many times for gastric and intestinal ulcers with people. It helps to kill H. pylori bacteria. A study in 2 weeks, actual treatment with carom seeds actually improved ulcers that were caused by ibuprofen. So, wow, very interesting. Another study found that the extract was comparable to some of the things that your doctor gives you for treating ulcers. So, wow, amazing. And that's what some people say about it. So, I feel it's pretty amazing. Also great for indigestion. I had indigestion earlier. I took a little bit of this. I hardly ever get a little bit of an upset stomach. But for some reason I did. I took some of this and was like, right away, gone. It was like, wow, amazing. I highly recommend it. And also, it really, if you're one of these people who have stasis of their GI tract and nothing's moving, this will help to keep your GI tract moving. And I've had that one time when I took a couple herbs that didn't mix well, and this is really great stuff for that. Also helps with asthma. You know, my wife had asthma, not anymore, but this really does a great job. Studies show that actually increases lung capacity within a half hour to an hour and a half of taking the herb itself. So really great. And some people have found it to be as effective as what the doctor gives you. So amazing. Really great. Also great for the common cold. Take 2 teaspoons, twice a day. You know, I would take a teaspoon and make a tea out of it. Actually, you could take up to, a teaspoon now, a teaspoon later on in the morning, about 4 times a day. And that'll help you with the cold. It also helps with mucus. You get all that mucus out of your system, so really great. Also helps with headaches and migraines, and you can take actually, you don't even have to take it. You could just take a cloth, soak it in the tea, and just breathe that in, and that'll help with the migraines and headaches. Pretty amazing. You don't even have to take it. Also helps with toothaches. You can get it as an oil. You can rub it on your gums and your tooth, and it will numb that area too. It is very pungent, I have to say. Really, it reminds me of thyme, really, in a great way, but much more in a way of powerful agents in it. Also, great for lustrous hair. You can actually use it on your hair, or you can take it, and because it has so many vitamins and minerals in it, it helps with hair. I'm just hoping for hair. Also helps with oral hygiene. You know, if you have, thrush or other things going on, this will help in a great way. Tea tree oil is my favorite, but this will also help too. It also helps with cough. Studies show it would actually work better than some powerful agents that your doctor could give you. So amazing. Also helps with pain because it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. If you're working out pain or if you have arthritis, it also helps with that. Also helps with gas and flatulence. If you have that, I can guarantee you this will make it go away right away. Also great for stomach acid, excess stomach acid, and a lot of people have that these days. So if you have excess stomach acid, take a teaspoon of the seeds and you make a tea out of it, and right away it's going to disappear. There's no doubt about that. Also, like I said, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Study shows supplementing with the seeds as really helps with inflammation in the body. Helps with the arthritis, the pain, the swelling, the redness of having arthritis. Actually working with a young 18-year-old in Hawaii who has arthritis of his elbow. Terrible. And we're getting him on the right track. So I'm worried about him having a lot more arthritis later in life. So we're making big changes then. So he will be fine. Also, helps to regulate periods for your women. So if you're having, your periods are not showing up or too often, this will help this also. Also, 1 or 2 drops of the oil was great for ear pain. So you could use that for little kids also once in a while, externally, not internally. Also, 21 days have actually lowered C-reactive protein markers in people. So it helps with inflammation in a great way. So, my C-reactive protein is 0.06. And then the normal range is 0 to 6. So I hardly have any inflammation in my body at all. It's just amazing. Also helps with acne. You can make a paste with the seeds, rub it on, let it dry for about 15 minutes, then rinse it off, and really helps with acne and all kinds of different problems that are blemishes and blackheads also. Also, it's great for the skin. If you make a paste, you can put it on the area. It'll help with wounds and rashes and different types of things. It's antibacterial, remember. Also helps with weight loss because it improves your metabolism. And you can make a tea. Take 2 teaspoons of the seeds, put it in water, and add hot water, let it sit for 15 minutes, and drink that, 2 to 3 times a day. And that really, you actually don't feel as much like eating. Also, it boosts up your metabolism, so that's a really great thing also. In order to make what they call Carom water, or they call another name, which I can't pronounce right now, and you could take 2 teaspoons of the Carom seeds, 500 mils of water, a little apple cider vinegar or a little lemon, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of salt, and put that and mix that up together. Actually, I would simmer it for about 15-20 minutes, and then put it in the fridge and drink it every once in a while. It really is great. So also, you can take it 1 cup a day for 7 to 10 days. Sometimes more than that, depending on what condition you have. But if you just want prophylactically use it, 1 cup, 7 to 10 days. And then take a week off and come back and take it again. Also, if you take a little bit of the Carom oil and mustard seed oil and rub those together and put them on a plate or something and have it around the house, it keeps away mosquitoes. So pretty amazing stuff. Also, if you had really dirty, irritated skin, you can put some of this paste on there and wash it off after 15 minutes. It really helps to clean the skin at the same time and kill bacteria. Also, they say it helps with graying hair, but I have not seen that happen whatsoever. I'm just waiting for hair. Also, the dosage, take for about like 7 to 10 days, a teaspoon or 2, up to 3 times a tea, using the tea to 3 or 4 times a day. But it should not be used for more than 7 to 10 days. And it should not be used for all those who are, pregnant, nursing, or small children. I don't recommend that at all. Also, it's also in huge doses will cause vomiting, nausea, and headaches. Forms, you can get the seeds, very inexpensive. This whole package here, which is 3 ounces. 3 ounces, and that's a lot, I tell you. It'll last you a long time. That's $6. Pretty inexpensive. Also, you can get it on Amazon and eBay, and some enlightened health food stores will have it. Also in spice sections, they may have it, especially at Indian stores. They will have it for sure. And so enjoy Carom seeds or Ajwain seed, and it'll do your body good. There's no doubt about it. If you want to get a hold of me, if you want to get rid of your chronic diseases, you have, diabetes, you have MS, you have all kinds of different lupus, all kinds of different things going on. Let's get a hold of me. 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. And remember to get hold of some of these wonderful Carom seeds. I think they will do your body good. And you should have this around in your herbal medicine cabinet. And like I said, you cannot afford to have them around because they're so inexpensive. So have a wonderful day. Remember God and remember, I love you.